Hello, I'm Scott Wilson, and this is the first in my tutorial series, Down and Dirty Techniques in Maya. Those of you familiar with Maya know that this program allows you to create some amazing effects using 3D animation. What surprised me was how some of the most remarkable effects could be achieved fairly simply, and yet some simple effects are ridiculously complex. If you want to show a hand or a crane picking up an object and placing it elsewhere in a single scene, usually you have to use complex pole vectors or other complicated methods. Today, I'm going to show you the method I created based on my experiences working for a magic trick company long ago. There is a trick where a red foam ball appears and disappears, then reappears somewhere else. This works because there's not one, but 3 foam balls to begin with, 2 of them hidden. Here's how I use that effect to move objects in Maya. Basically, I start off with 3 cubes. Cube number 1 at the starting point, cube number 2 parented to the hand, and cube number 3 at the final destination. With a series of keyframes, I move the hand over to pick up cube number 1, which becomes cube number 2 in the hand. It moves over and drops it off as cube number 3. I select cube number 2 in the hand, scale it down until it's invisible, and then set a keyframe on cube number 2. I scrub forward until the hand is on top of cube number 1. I set a keyframe on cube number 2, move ahead 1 frame, and scale cube number 2 up until it's visible. I scrub forward, moving the hand and the cube on top of cube number 3, set a keyframe on cube number 2, move ahead 1 frame and scale cube number 2 in the hand down, making it disappear. I scrub back until the hand is on top of cube number 1, set a keyframe on cube number 1, move ahead 1 frame and scale cube number 1 down. Now it too is invisible. Scrubbing back to the beginning, I scale cube number 3 down until it's invisible and set a keyframe. Scrubbing forward until the hand is on top of cube number 3, I set a keyframe on cube number 3, move ahead 1 frame, and scale cube number 3 up, causing it to appear. And this completes a cycle of moving what appears to be just a single block from place to place. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I welcome any comments or suggestions.